Cambridge IGCSE 060742, this paper 4, calculator paper. Okay, so let's go for the first question. Write the number 13205.17268. Correct three significant figure. So from left, look at the three number. The rest all we are going to make it 0. So check the fourth number is 5 or above. We should add 1. So this is 0. So 13200 is the answer here. Next, to correct to the number nearest tens place is here. The 0 is the tens place. Check out the right place, that is 5. So we should add up 1 here. 13210. The next question, solve 4x minus 3 equal to 15. So 4x then we have to shift this. 4x equal to 15 plus 3, which is 4x equal to 18. So x equal to 18 over 4. Use calculator and get the decimal value, which is 4.5. We can leave the answer as a fraction because we have to go for the lowest term. Okay, next question, solve x again. So I'll bring 4x to left side, this 4x here. Also I'll shift this 1 to here. So what happened? 4x, this is negative, when it's go to left side it's become positive. 4x minus 2x equal to 11 minus 1. So 2x equal to 10, x equal to 5. So the answer is 5 here. Next, 1.7 square minus square root of 8.5. Use calculator. So get the value. The value is going to be negative 0.0255. Next one, work out here also you can use calculator. So or without calculator also you can do make the same denominator. So 7 by 12 minus this one multiply by 12, which is 4. So minus 4 by 12. So 7 minus 4 is 3 by 12, which is equal to 1/4. So you can leave the answer as 1/4, or you can leave the answer as a decimal 0. Yeah, 0.25. So anything is fine. Next question, the exchange rate between pounds and this Chinese yuan, okay, which is 1 equal to 8.3. So 549 Chinese yen, which is, yeah, just multiply this one. $1 equal to 8.3. So $549, which is 549 times 8.3. So the answer is going to be 4556.7. Money value always we have to, after decimal 2 places, that's the best one. So make it 0 here. Next one, find the value of a when x equal to 7, y equal to 12.5, and h equal to 6. So just substitution here. A equal to, so 1 by 2 x is 7 plus 12.5 is y times height is, which is 6. So here this and this, which is 3, or else you can do like without reducing also, because this is 0.5 and this is 19.5 and 6. Just use calculator, you will get the answer. Here 19.5 times 3. So the answer is 58.5 is the answer, 58.5. Next one, rearrange the formula, right? To write x in terms of a, y, h. So this x is the same equation. A equal to 1 by 2 x plus y into h. We need to make a subject of x. So this, first I'll bring this 2 to left side, it will become 2a. 2a equal to x plus y into h. I'll bring the h to other side, so it become divide. So 2a over h equal to x plus y. Now I'll bring this y to other side. So 2a by h minus y equal to x. So this is the answer because we made x equal to. So x equal to 2a over h minus y. That's the answer here. Next question 7. there is a wooden cuboid wooden is given, so between there is a cylinder is removed, cylinder shape is removed from the mid. Okay, so the cuboid, the length is given, which is 22, and the dimension here x is given, here x is given. Also the diameter of this cylinder is given, so the volume of wood remaining is, the volume is given, the remaining, so total. So what we need to do now, volume of cuboid minus volume of cylinder when we removed equal to the volume is 976. So volume of cuboid, which is length, breadth and the height, just we need to multiply, which is 22 times x minus volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder for formula sheet will be given, which is 1 by, which is pi r square h. So pi into r. See the diameter is 5 because the diameter is given. Diameter is 5, so the radius is going to be 2.5. So pi r square times h, height is going to be here to here, the length is 22, equal to 976. So 22x square equal to 976. This is minus, when it will go right side it will become plus. Plus pi into 2.5 square times 22. Now x square equal to 976 plus pi into 2.5 whole square times 22 over, when I bring 22 is going to be divide here. This is x square, so I need to find x equal to square root of 976 plus pi into 2.5 square times 22 over 22. When you use calculator and get the value is going to be 7.9999, which is, when we round up, is 8. So x equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, next question. Flies by plane from Manchester to Hong Kong. The distance from Manchester to Hong Kong is 900 kilometers. The flight takes 12.5 hours duration. Calculate the average speed of the plane. So speed formula is going to be speed equal to distance over the time, which is, the distance is 9000 over 12.5. So the answer is going to be 720. So 720 kilometer per hour. Next, the plane leaves Manchester at 20:45. So 20:45. Then the local time of the Hong Kong is 8 hours ahead. So local time. Okay, find the local time in Hong Kong when the plane lands. Okay, so 20.45, total duration will take 12.5 hours. Okay, so 12.5, 24.5, for the 24 hours we need to add here 24, so 20:45, so 21, 15 minutes required for 21, then 3 hours 15 minutes. When we add here it will become 24. So the next day, so the rest will be here, rest will be 3 hours 15 minutes we added here, the rest is going to be 9 hours 15 minutes. So next day 9:15, 9 hours 15 minutes can reach there, but the local time 8 hours is increased, so plus 8, which is 17:15. So the time is 17:15 is reaching there in local time. The next question here, question 9. Translate triangle A with the vector 0, 0 and -8 labeled the image in C. So here 0. There is no horizontal translate, only vertical is happening, that is 8 units down. So triangle 8 here, 8 units down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So which is, yeah, here is 1 point and 2 units right, here is another point, and the third point going to be 1 2 3, third point going to be here. So yeah, this answer, this is labeled C. Okay, so next one, the top one is going to be horizontal translate as vertical snap. If it's positive, will go right or up. If it's negative, it's down. So here 8 is going to be negative, so we move to down. Describe a full single transformation on map A onto B. A to B, we know the just flip. Okay, it's reflection happens. So reflection, we need to find the symmetry point. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So half the way, 1 2 3 4. So this is the mirror line. It's reflection. So at x equal to -2. So here is a reflection at x equal to -2, the equation. Okay, then next, rotate triangle B in 90-degree clockwise with center -6, 2. -6 and 2 is the center. Use the transparent paper, so that you can use this. So so after rotation, 90-degree rotation, the points will reach -3, 2. Here 1 point, and -3, 4. Here is another point, then 0, 2, 0, 2, another point. So the figure will move to here. Okay, so next question number 10. The table shows the marks of 10 students, physics and chemistry. Find the mean physics mark. So you add up everything, the physics mark, which is, you will get 570, everything just add, then divided by, there are 10 students, so divided by 10, which is going to be 57. So here 57 is the answer. Next question, find the equation to the regression line y equal to in terms of x. You can use calculator. You will get here y equal to 0.548x plus 26.6. Okay, so because the line is y equal to a plus bx, so the x means the physics, the mean value is 57, and the chemistry mean value is going to be 57.9, because total 579 divided by 10. So we'll get this. Then we are finding b formula is sxy and sxx, which is 37449 minus 570 times 57.9 over 40592 minus 570 square over 10. Okay, so you will get the answer. So this and all not required, you can use calculator, just enter all the values. Okay, you will get this equation, that's enough. Okay, this and all no need to write here. Okay, this explanation, if it's required, just let me know, so I'll do another video. Okay, use your answer part B to estimate the chemistry mark when the physics mark is 46. So just to replace physics mark here, so y equal to 0.548 times 46 plus 26.6. The answer is going to be 52. you'll get like some rounded point 51.93, so you can round up, it's 52. Next, see two of the students whose score is more than 35 in physics. More than 35 in physics. So 35, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 students. Okay, so find the probability that they both score more than 65. So both score more than 65. 65 is here, 1 2 3 4. So yeah, they are choosing two students. So when they choose first student, the probability is 4/7. When they student the second students, now already they won't choose. Okay, so remaining 6 students are left. So here also one less. So 12/42. The answer is going to be 6 times table 2/7. So the probability is 2/7. The next question, question 11. Okay, here also same. You can use the calculator, get the graph. Okay, the graph you will get exactly like this. And here you will get yeah, so you'll get the graph like this. Sketch the graph, that's done. Next, write the equation of two asymptotes. Okay, this asymptote is going to be here, it will go like, actually actual graph will be going this way. Okay, so the first one is here, you can use, check the calculator, you will get x equal to negative 0.5. The other one will go here 2, so y equal to 2. So other one will go with like a 2. Next one, write down the coordinates of the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. Exactly, again look at the calculator, you will get the value. One is 0, -3, another one is 0,75 and 0. Okay, so next point, solve the inequality. See here this denominator is there. The denominator 2x plus 1 can't be 0 because the denominator can't be 0, so which is, will take x equal to -1/2. When you move to 1, here's -1, then divide x equal to -1. Next equal to 1/2 can't come here, so okay, let it be here. So this one x equal to -0.5. Now we'll solve this equation, which is 4x minus 3 is greater than 2 minus x times 2x plus 1. So when we push left right side is going to be multiplication. So 4x minus 3 equal to 4x plus 2 minus 2x square minus x. So bring everything to right side. So this is greater than sign, so 0 greater than, so 4x got cancelled because when it go right side it will become negative. 4x minus 4x 0. When this 3 go right side it will become positive. So 3 plus 2 minus 2x square minus x, so 0. So minus 2x square minus x plus 5. So I'll multiply, yeah, minus both the sides, so it's become like this. So 2x square plus x minus 5. So 2x square plus x minus 5 greater than 0. Use calculator, get the solution. X equal to -1.85 and x equal to 1.35. So but here the -0 point is coming inside the they're going to break, so which is, the answer is -1.5, -1.85, less than x less than 2 until negative 0.5. Then the second value is going to be x is greater than 1.35, because the graph is like this, like, okay, so one is 1.35, one is, yeah, negative 1.85, but the graph cannot come negative 0.5, so that is going to break here. Next, Paula bought a house in 1st January 2023. 2024 is increased by 10%, 2025 is increased by 6%. 2025 the value is this. So find in 2023 the original value. So the original value I'll take as x. X is like 2023 amount. Now, okay, x times first year increase like 10%, which is 1.10, times the second year is increase 6, so 1.06 equal to 215,710. So x equal to 215,710 over so the amount is going to be 185,000. This was the 2023 the house rate 185,000. Next part, find 2025 the values increase exponentially rate of 6% each year. The value of the house 1st January 2025 is this. Then find the year of the value, which is more than 400,000. So 215,710 into the rate is increasing 1.06 power, we don't know how many years, is going to be 400,000. So 1.06 power x equal to 400,000 over 215,710. So take log both the side. Log 1.06 equal to power x. Log 400,000 over 215,710. So here x equal to, so we can write x log 1.06 equal to the right side entire thing going to come. Next line, x equal to log 400,000 over 215,710 divided by log 1.06. When you move to right side is going to be log 1.06. So the answer is 10.5979 is 10 years plus some more. So it's greater than this amount, has to go for greater than, so we have to go for 11 years. The answer is 11 years. Because required to take more than 10 years, 10.5 something is getting, so we cannot go 10, we have to go for 11. The next question, use a graphical method to solve. Okay, give your answer in correct decimal place. So the graph is going to be like this. Okay, the right side is linear, so 7 is the y-intercept point and y equal to 2x plus 7. So put x equal to 0, y equal to 7. We got, now put y equal to 0, so negative 7 by 2 equal to x, which is negative 3.5, somewhere negative 3.5 here. So we'll get the linear equation like this. Use a graph, you'll get the proper one. Next is left side. When you do, our graph is going to be like this. This is exponent graph, so the graph is going, you'll get like this, the curve. Okay, so our question, yeah, find the x where they intercept both. Okay, so just find the x value here. That is the answer. X equal to, you will get negative 0.63. The answer is okay. The next one, question number 14. Y varies inversely as a square root of x minus 1. So okay, y is inverse, so 1 by square root of x minus 1. So when we remove this, we have to take some constant, square root of x minus 1. So given the value y equal to 1, x equal to 5, 1 equal to 5 minus 1, which is 1 equal to k over square root of 4, 1 equal to k by 2. So bring 2 here to k. Just replace here the k value. So yeah, we need to write y in terms of x. So y equal to 2 over square root of x minus 1 is the answer here. Next one, w varies directly as y square. So w varies y square. So w equal to k into y square. So here what is given, k equal, w equal to 45, 45 equal to k into y value is given, which is 3 square. So 45 equal to 9k. So 45 over 9 equal to k, which is 5. K equal to 5. Just replace here. Okay, w equal to, replace this one. So 5 into y square. Next one, use your part A to find w in terms of x. So we need to rid of this y, you have to use the y then up part. So w equal to 5 into y square. Y value we got 2 over square root of x minus 1 whole square. So w equal to 5 into 2 square is going to be 4. The denominator going to be square root of x minus 1 whole square. The numerator is going to be 20. The denominator is going to be this square, and square root is rid of, so it is x minus 1. W equal to, so this from here we can write w equal to 20 into x minus 1 whole inverse, because the denominator when it will come we can write as negative 1. So this is the form they asked. Okay, we provide the answer like 20 into x minus 1 whole power negative 1. 20 into x power 1 whole power negative 1 is the answer here. Next question number 15. Okay, the area of a triangle ABC is given. The entire area is given. So AB equal to 12.4 and angle ABC equal to 30. Show that BC equal to 54. So here we need to show this is, sorry, this is 24. We need to show in 24, which is area formula is given already, half into AB sine C, because this is non-right angle, so which is 74.4. Half into one side is given, which is 12.4 times B into sine 30 degree is given, which is 74.4. This one we need to prove, we cannot choose now. So B equal to 74.4 over the half, we can make it 0.5. So 0.5 times 12.4 times sine 30. So the answer is going to be B equal to 24. B is nothing, that is, yeah, that is BC. So we took this as a B. So here we proved is 24 here. So instead of this one, you can write everywhere as BC. BC, so BC, so BC here. Next, to find AC. Find AC. Where is AC, you can use we know two sides, one angle, so we have to use the cosine rule. AC square equal to the sides, one is 24, one is 12.4. 24 square plus 12.4 square minus 2 into 24 into 12.4 into cos the angle is 30. So the formulas given in the formula sheet is a cosine rule. So when there is no pair, we have to use cosine rule. So AC equal to the entire thing square root, because left side when you rid of the square, so right side is going to be a square root. So when we calculate the square root of entire thing, the answer is going to be 14.63 something. So we are round of 14.6. So 14.6 is the answer here. Next one, find the obtuse angle CAB. We have to find this angle, so we can use the sine rule, because now we know this 40 AC is 14.6. so we have a pair, so one angle one side we have a pair, so we can use the sine rule, which is sine 30 over 14.6. Sine 30 over 14.6 equal to sine A over 24. Sine A over 24. Yeah, so make sine A is a subject, so 24 sine 30 over 14.6 equal to sine A. So we need to find A, so sine inverse of the entire thing is going to be a. So here 24 sine 30 over 14.6. So we'll get the answer A equal to 55.277. We got, the question is about the obtuse angle, so we got acute. Whenever the obtuse one we are getting acute, just do take away from 180, so 180 minus 55.277, give the answer is 124.7 is the answer here. Next, question D, the triangle XYZ is similar to triangle ABC. The triangle ABC is here, and the area of a triangle XYZ is 62, and find YZ. So this side we need to find out. Okay, so the corresponding YZ, so not this is XZ. We need to find, this is the missing side, so the corresponding side is going to be here BC. BC is 24, already we got 24. Okay, the scale factor, as we know, the corresponding sides just we need to divide. So here area is 62 into the area factor, which is 24 over here YZ, okay, whole square. Area fact equal to this, the bigger area already given, which is 74.4, which is 74.4. Just find out YZ. Okay, so 24 over YZ whole square equal to 74.4 over 62. So 24 over YZ equal to, rid of the square, right side will become a square root 74.4 over 62. Now just we need to find YZ, so which is going to be, I'll write here YZ. Okay, I'll bring right side, left side is going to be 24 divided by the entire thing, 74.4 over 62. So this one, when I bring it here, this I need to bring it down, so that's happened, 24 divided by this. Okay, the answer is YZ, yeah, which is 4 root 30 you will get when you make it decimal, which is 21.9. So 21.9 is the answer here. Next, question 16. In this question, all the length are in centimeters. Okay, the diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, ABCE is a rhombus. CD is a right angle triangle. AC equal to, we have to draw a diagonal here, which is 2 root 3x, and BE also is given, which is 2x. So we know in rhombus the diagonals are bisect each other, they will make it half. So this entire thing is 2 root 3x. 2 root 3x, so we'll make it half, which is root 3x. So here is root 3x and here is root 3x. The other way around, which is 2x. So here is x, here is x. Also it makes everything is a right angle, everywhere is a right angle. So I can use this also, right, everywhere is a right angle. So I'll use a Pythagoras. So I need to find EC here. I need to find AE square, because I'm using Pythagoras rule. AE square equal to, so hypotenuse 1 opposite of 90 degrees, or hypotenuse. So root 3x whole square plus x square, which is going to be 3x square plus x square, because square and square root will be rid off. So this is AE square. AE equal to square root of 3x square plus x square 4x square, which is equal to 2x. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of x square equal to x, so which is 2x. So we proved, this is the proof for A part. So AE equal to 2x. Then next one, find in terms of x the perimeter of ABCD, outer everything. So we need to find out. Okay, so I'll clear this thing. Now I will draw only BE. B is given 2x. So just AE we found this is 2x. So this is 2x. The entire outer going to be 2x, because this is in rhombus is given. Rhombus all sides are equal. So this is 2x. This is 2x. This is 2x. Everywhere is 2x. Now I'll take this triangle. So this triangle is going to be equilateral triangle, because all sides are in the equal. So angle is going to be 60 degree. Here is 60. Then here also angle is going to be 60 degree, because alternative, because two sides are parallel. Rhombus opposite sides are parallel. So this is alternative. So here is 60. Then here must be 60. So now this is 2x. Now I'm going to write sine 60, because the right angle triangle here, this CED is a right angle triangle. So sine 60 equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is CD over 2x. CD over 2x, because hypotenuse is 2x. So bring the 2x here. 2x into sine 60 equal to CD. 2x into sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to CD. This 2 got cancelled. Root 3x equal to CD. Because perimeter we need all outer sides, so this area and this area is missing. So we need to find this length and this length. Rest all the length we have. So this is root 3x. We got the answer is root 3x here. Then next ED we are going to find. So now we can use Pythagoras. ED square equal to square root of 3x whole square plus 2x whole square, which is sorry, this is wrong, because we cannot take the other two sides. Hypotenuse square minus the other side square, because we are finding a side, not hypotenuse. So which is 2x whole square minus root 3x whole square root 3x whole square, which is 4x square minus square and square root is rid of, so 3x square, which is x square here. So ed square equal to this, ed equal to right side we have to take a square root, ed equal to x square square root, which is going to be x, ed equal to x. So this also we got x. So the down length is going to be total 3x. So we are writing perimeter. So perimeter equal to 3x, the down part. So here is 2x plus root 3x. So 3x plus 2x plus root 3x, which is going to be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7x plus root 3x. So that's the final answer, 7x plus root 3x. So this is the end of the sheet.